I stay home if it rains. I stay home if it rains. I wash my hands before I cook. I wash my hands before I cook. I clean the table before I eat. I clean the table before I eat. I eat if I am hungry. I eat if I am hungry. I wash the dishes after I eat. I wash the dishes after I eat. I see that it is raining. I see that it is raining. I rest if I feel tired. I rest if I feel tired. I drink water if I feel thirsty. I drink water if I feel thirsty. I prepare food before I eat dinner. I prepare food before I eat dinner. I feel better after I eat. I feel better after I eat. I relax after I finish my work. I relax after I finish my work. I eat breakfast before I go to work. I eat breakfast before I go to work. I drink water after I exercise. I drink water after I exercise. I know that I can learn this. I know that I can learn this. I hear that the bus is late. I hear that the bus is late. I study English if I have time. I study English if I have time. I take a break if I feel stressed. I take a break if I feel stressed. I take a break if I feel stressed. I walk to work if the bus is late. I walk to work if the bus is late. I wear a jacket if it is cold. I wear a jacket if it is cold. I go to bed early if I feel sleepy. I go to bed early if I feel sleepy. I feel that I did my best. I feel that I did my best.